Can you guess these brand logos? Let's see. Spotify, Google Chrome, Amazon, Opera, Visual Studio Code. It's ChatGPT, YouTube, Netflix, Flipkart, KFC, McDonald's, Among Us. It's Pringles, Lay's. Guess this logo. Subscribe now. Minecraft, Assassin's Creed, Rockstar Games, Domino's, Microsoft Bing, Crunchyroll. It's GitHub, Instagram, Warner Bros, Steam, LinkedIn, Apple. It's Louis Vuitton. It's Nike, NASA, Starbucks, GTA 6, Tesla, Volkswagen. It's Avengers, Lamborghini, H&M, Under Armour, Notion. It's PlayStation, Shell, Toyota, Razer, Noise, Mazda, Deadpool. It's Subway, Motorola, Rolex, Xbox, Discovery Science, Telegram, PayPal, Superman, Nestle, Unilever, LG Life Good. If you are enjoying, like the video now. Red Bull. It's Walmart, Microsoft Copilot, Lipton, ROG, NVIDIA, React.js. It's Windows, Baskin Robbins, Swiggy, Pinterest, Twitch. It's Photoshop, Meta, Adidas, Disney Plus, Levi's, The North Face, Docker, Siri, Cartoon Network, Trivago. It's Dunkin' Donuts, IKEA, Discord. It's Paramount. And it's Mitsubishi. Share this video to your friend and thanks for watching.